Dipu Farmer Growth Center along Karbiang Long Idol Season 3 Grand Final lun kilun kacepatipon. Matijong ni Pai Ingkoy ra ICR ni Karbiang Long Idol Season 3 Grand Final lun kilun kacepatipon. Labangso kacepati along bang krip ho an finalist along an cepali dunlo penki kiceng si anong i cepalong dun laki Rajan Singh Narpen adun tu anong i kilong pon laki Juti Krupi lapen kijut si anong i ka cepalong dun laki Kelvin Ingti lapen manay hansipi lapen judge abang kithom amen laki lapuson henlo Samson Singh Ingti bari rong parpi sarthi rong pi alang litum si judge lo nabangso kacepati arni kang sampor pai phopen si chengpon iklo dipupen inglong kiria birta
with second runners-up. I get third position along. Bahini, third position along Kidunik. Two of them had secured the position of third. So, the name I call on, please step forward. Calvin Ingti and Manai Hansupi have secured third place. Congratulations to you both. May I kindly request the President and Secretary of Angdong Musical Society to do the honors. And also the three of the judges to please do the honor of presenting the certificate as well as the check to the winner of the Karbianglong Idol Season 3. In the third position goes to Manai Hansepi and Calvin Ingti.
Congratulations!
Alang litong lun ki jume, jadai chit na po silang litong handang hindi hansaming by Pondela, third position along. So congratulations to the both of you.
We love you! Love you guys! We love you! We love you!